To repair a hole in drywall, first inspect the area to make sure there are no wires or safety issues. Then, use a tape measure to determine the size of the patch, which should be larger than the hole by at least an inch in both directions. This patch will be 5 by 7 inches. To make the patch, use a tape measure to transfer the measurements to a scrap of drywall and follow up with a square to extend the lines. Then use a utility knife to score the lines, snap the cuts, and complete the patch. Now, center the patch over the hole and trace its shape on the wall. Then use a utility knife to score the paper at the lines, and follow with a jab saw to cut the hole. Once removed, cut 2 strips of wood about 2 inches taller than your patch, so they bridge the hole and can be fastened with drywall screws. Now test fit the patch. If it's tight, use a rasp to shave down the edges to reduce its size. Then, insert the patch and fasten using drywall screws. Complete the patch by adding joint compound and tape until the area is smooth and dry. And the patch is ready for painting. For more tools and projects, visit stanleytools.com/project guides.